I'm Muhammad Fajar Fauzan, and I'll tell you how to make email account on your phone. First of all, you must have a smartphone which is connected by internet. So, check this out. Pair smartphone which is connected by the internet. Next, open browser and search mail.google.com. After that, click login. Then, make a new account. Next, fill the register. First name, last name, username. Note, you can choose your own email username by yourself or the recommended name. Don't forget to use complex password. After that, click next. Next, fill another register as number phone, date of birth, and gender. Then click next. And scroll until down. You can see I agree on it and click. Finally, your account is ready to use. That's all for me. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.